In this video we will learn how to do the connection light and then switch. Everyone want to know that how to do the connection for light and switch, and then how to do the wiring of this button and then the light. It's very simple. I am showing in this short video. For example, I am using this one is for the electric. So if we connect directly here, for example, I do the connection here, we give directly. So as you can see, the connection is both direct. If we on the light, you can see this one is the direct, neutral and phase direct to the light, so it's working. So how to do this switch? So you need to take out one of them, the live phase, to put both cable in the switch. I do the connection so easy for you to learn. First of all, I need to off the electricity. Then now we take out the live, then we put in the switch. Here you can put any cable anywhere, it doesn't matter up or down, you need to just give the control. So now our connection is ready. We turn on the electricity. Now it's on. If I on the switch, you see the light is working. So that is the simple and easy connection that you know how to control the switch in the light. For example, I off, on. The neutral is going to direct, and then the phase is in the control with the switch. That is the simple and easy connection that everyone wants to know how to do the connections. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. Thank you.